Imagine missing out on doubling your affiliate earnings because you overlooked one simple strategy. Today, we're uncovering the secret metrics top marketers guard like a treasure, and you won't find these insider tips anywhere else. Stay tuned, or you might just leave money on the table. In the world of affiliate marketing, your success hinges on not just the quantity, but the quality of traffic you drive. Enter the click-through rate, or CTR. This metric is a goldmine of insight, telling you exactly how many viewers are compelled enough by your content to actually click on your affiliate links or ads. It's a direct reflection of your persuasion skills. Are you convincing enough to make viewers take action? But a high CTR only tells half the story. Imagine you're throwing a party and everyone RSVPs. Yes, that's your CTR. But what if only a handful actually show up? That's where conversion rate steps in. It measures how many of those clicks have turned into definite outcomes, aka sales. It gauges the effectiveness of your affiliate link or ad in turning interest into action. So why is tracking CTR and conversion rate essential for doubling affiliate earnings? It's simple. They highlight the strengths and weaknesses in your affiliate campaigns. Low CTR? Maybe it's time to revamp your call to action or rethink where those links are placed. High CTR but low conversion rate. You might need to reassess the landing pages or the products you're endorsing. By fine-tuning these aspects, you could see a dramatic increase in your earnings. Now think about your affiliate links for a moment. Are they truly captivating your audience, or are they just another ignored element on the page? Share your thoughts below, and let's discuss how we can turn those overlooked links into conversion machines. Understanding your audience is like having a roadmap for a treasure hunt. Google Analytics is your compass here, providing a broad overview of where your visitors are coming from and what they're doing on your site. It tracks overall web traffic and user behavior, revealing which content keeps them around and what sends them away. Now let's zero in on the treasures, your affiliate campaigns. With analytics, you'll notice patterns. Maybe visitors from social media engage more with certain types of posts, or perhaps your how-to articles keep readers hooked. Such insights are invaluable, enabling you to customize your approach to maximize engagement and clicks. Speaking of clicks, let's get specific. Tools like Post Affiliate Pro or Frac shed light on the finer details of your affiliate efforts. These platforms track clicks, impressions, and sales, giving you the power to analyze the performance of individual links and campaigns. Imagine having the ability to discern not just who is interested in your content, but what ultimately persuades them to click that affiliate link and make a purchase. By combining the scope of Google Analytics with the precision of affiliate tracking software, you get a complete toolkit for success. You've got the map and the compass. Now it's all about navigating your way to those higher earnings. How will you adjust your strategy based on what these tools tell you about your audience's behavior? Drop a comment and let's chart out the path to making your affiliate links impossible to ignore. Navigating the labyrinth of affiliate marketing may seem daunting, but fear not, for the power of data analytics is akin to having a secret key to untold treasures. Imagine you're running two separate campaigns for health supplements and tech gadgets. By analyzing performance data, you might discover that your audience is a bunch of tech enthusiasts rather than fitness fanatics, as tech gadget links generate more clicks and conversions. It's like finding out that pieces of 8 are just beneath the sands where you've been standing all along. Here's where the magic of AB testing comes in, providing a strategic stage to perform and witness the battle of the titans, different promotional strategies. Consider this: you place the same affiliate link at the top of a blog post and within a captivating tweet. Will your readers be more likely to click the moment they start reading? Or does the power of social media hold the key to unlocking higher engagement rates? You might find the blog post generates a steady stream of conversions over time, while the tweet causes a sudden surge of clicks. Ahoy! You've just spotted the X marks the spot on your treasure map. Now, how can you cast a spell over your affiliate links to make them utterly irresistible? Imagine using vibrant visuals for one set of links and straight text for another. The analytics will whisper secrets back to you, telling tales of which links bewitched your audience's clicks and commanded their attention. The one with the charms of color and imagery, or the one with the subtlety of plain text? What if you're the captain of a ship sailing across the vast ocean of social media platforms? Once again, employ AB testing to decipher whether your affiliate links are mermaids of Instagram or swashbucklers of Facebook. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. So tell me, adventurers of the affiliate seas, what mysteries have you unearthed in your own voyages with AB testing? Which unexpected strategies won you the bounty of clicks and conversions? Share your tales below and let's continue this quest together, for there's always more treasure waiting to be discovered. Segmenting your audience can be likened to crafting a map for a treasure hunt. Every piece of information about your prospective customers is a clue that leads you closer to the ultimate prize, boosted conversions and sales. Now imagine you have a group of users who've clicked on your affiliate links with interest, that spark of curiosity shining in their eyes, but alas, they didn't make a purchase. It's not the end of the journey, my friends. It's an opportunity ripe for the picking. In the world of digital marketing, these users are not lost causes. They're the gold doubloons resting on the ocean floor, and with the right strategy, you can bring them to the surface. By using retargeting campaigns, you can send out your digital messages in a bottle, reminders that come ashore on the vast beaches of their browsing habits, nudging them to revisit what sparked their interest in the first place. And what about those high-converting topics or products that have proven to be the wind in your sales? Digging into the performance data and recognizing these hotspots allows you to adjust the content of your map accordingly, channeling your resources and creativity into what is truly treasure to your audience. It's not about shooting cannonballs in the dark, it's about precision, knowing exactly where to fire. Now, I'm curious to know your strategies. Have you ever found a particular segment of your audience that seemed hidden beneath the waves, only to discover they were the key to unlocking a treasure trove of engagements and conversions? Share your experiences of how segmenting your audience has turned the tides in your favor. When you're charting the vast ocean of affiliate marketing, 2 navigational stars guide you to a treasure trove of insights, average order value AOV, and earnings per click epic. AOV isn't just another metric, it's the spyglass that reveals the purchasing power of your audience. Every time a customer completes a transaction through your affiliate link, the AOV is the average dollar amount they've spent. It's like understanding the worth of the cargo each ship brings to your harbor. Knowing the AOV helps you tailor your content and offerings. If your AOV is high, you're attracting the big spenders. Maybe you're a luxury brand's affiliate, or your content resonates with an audience that doesn't mind splurging. If it's on the lower end, there's a trove of opportunities to upsell, bundle products, or find ways to increase the value per transaction. Now let's hoist the sails and catch the wind blowing towards it or earnings per click. Imagine every click as a potential gold coin. It tells you how many coins you're earning on average every time someone clicks on your affiliate links. By dividing the total earnings by the number of clicks, you get a clear sense of your affiliate effort's profitability. A high EPC indicates your content and links are finely tuned to your audience's desires, leading them to make purchases through your affiliate partners. That's not all, savvy marketers. These metrics are your compass and sextant, guiding you through the affiliate marketing seas, allowing you to optimize your campaigns for greater profitability. Now think of your own affiliate marketing strategies. How has understanding your AOV and EP changed the way you navigate these waters? Have you been able to adjust your sales to catch a bigger bounty? Share your tales below and let's chart a course towards success together. Imagine you're a captain with a map, showing you where treasure chests brim with gold. In the world of affiliate marketing, that's what geo-targeting data does for you. It shines a light on the regions brimming with potential customers eager for your product. For example, you have an affiliate link for hiking gear. By analyzing geo-targeting data, you discover that most of your sales are coming from Colorado. It makes sense, doesn't it? The state's renowned for its mountains and trails, a paradise for hikers. By tailoring your marketing efforts, like crafting articles featuring the best hiking spots in the Rockies or tips for high-altitude treks, you're catering to a Coloradoan audience primed for your content. Your affiliate sales in that region could soar higher than the peaks themselves because you're offering value that resonates with the local community's interests and needs. Now let's flip the map. You notice fewer treasures hauled in from the coastal areas. This isn't a sign to abandon ship, but rather to adjust your approach. Maybe introduce articles on beach gear, beachside camping, or even coastal hikes to attract an audience that prefers the sound of waves over the whisper of pines. It's all about strategy, and geo-targeting data is the secret weapon in your arsenal. Have you ever considered looking at sales data on a map and using it to direct your marketing efforts?